Have you ever bought white jeans with excitement, only to have them sit unworn? Those jeans you're hesitant about are actually your wardrobe's most versatile piece that can instantly elevate your entire look. Today I'm sharing 15 genius styling hacks that transform white jeans from basic to breathtakingly expensive looking. No stylist's budget or model's figure required. These are practical, elegant solutions for real women who want to look polished without sacrificing comfort. By the end, you'll have a complete playbook for styling white jeans in sophisticated, flattering ways perfect for our age group. Let's dive into these 15 transformative styling hacks. Hack number 1. The perfect fit is everything. The foundation of any expensive-looking outfit starts with perfect fit. With white jeans, this is crucial because ill-fitting pairs highlight areas we might feel self-conscious about. The common mistakes: going too tight, creating unflattering pressure points, or too loose, which looks sloppy rather than relaxed. The solution? Look for white jeans with just 1 to 2% elastane, enough for comfort without midday stretching. Non-negotiable. The waistband should sit flat against your body with no gapping when seated. For our body types, mid-rise or high-rise styles that sit at or slightly above your natural waist create the most flattering silhouette. Contrary to popular belief, straight leg or subtle boot cut looks more expensive and timeless than skinny jeans. Quality indicators: reinforced stitching, substantial non-see-through fabric, and strategically positioned pockets. These details separate a $30 pair from one that looks like $300. Hack number 2. The monochromatic magic trick. This powerful hack: head-to-toe white or cream. Fashion insiders call this tonal dressing, a shortcut to looking like you stepped out of a luxury magazine. Why it works. A monochromatic look creates an uninterrupted vertical line that elongates your silhouette and appears intentional and sophisticated. The key to making this expensive rather than plain is mixing textures. Pair white jeans with silk or fine knit tops. Add textured linen blazers or soft cashmere cardigans. Anchor the look with white accessories for ultimate luxury, or a single contrasting piece, like a cognac leather belt or bag, for warmth and dimension. Hack number 3. The third-piece rule. Ever notice how outfits in high-end advertisements always look so put together? They use what stylists call the third-piece rule. How it works: white jeans, piece 1, top, piece 2, then add a third piece that transforms the entire outfit from basic to brilliant. This third piece could be a well-cut blazer, navy or camel pair beautifully with white, a statement belt, a beautifully draped scarf, a tailored vest, a cropped jacket or cardigan. Watch what happens when I add this linen blazer. Suddenly, the white jeans aren't just casual wear, they're part of a thoughtful, expensive ensemble. You likely already own several third pieces that can instantly elevate your white jeans. Hack number 4. The unexpected color pairing. While neutrals work with white jeans, there's something undeniably sophisticated about pairing them with rich, unexpected colors. Skip predictable navy or black. Instead, try burgundy or merlot, olive green, burnt orange, teal, mustard yellow. Choose saturated, complex shades rather than bright primary colors. These rich hues have depth that looks intentional and expensive, especially in fabrics with subtle sheen or texture. See how this burgundy silk blouse transforms these white jeans. The rich color against crisp white creates striking contrast that looks deliberate and sophisticated. Hack number 5. The shoe strategy. Your footwear can instantly change your white jeans' entire vibe. 3 specific styles always make white jeans look more expensive. First, pointed toe flats or low heels. The elongated toe creates a sleek line that looks refined and elegant. Choose nude, tan, or textured materials like snakeskin. Second, block-heeled sandals in quality materials. They provide stability and comfort while giving you height. Avoid overly strappy styles. Substantial designs in leather or suede look more luxurious. Third, perhaps surprisingly, white sneakers, but not just any sneakers. Look for clean, minimal designs without excessive logos. Simple leather sneakers with subtle stitching look intentionally casual in the most sophisticated way. The common mistake? Pairing white jeans with black shoes, creating harsh contrast that cuts your leg line. Instead, choose footwear that creates continuity or complements your outfit's color story. Hack number 6, the structured bag upgrade. Nothing says expensive style like a structured handbag paired with white jeans, creating a beautiful juxtaposition of casual and refined. Look for bags with architecture, clean lines and shapes that hold their form even when not full. This doesn't mean stiff or uncomfortable, just intentional form. Color-wise, cognac, tan, and warm brown leather create beautiful contrast against white jeans, adding warmth and richness while remaining versatile. See how switching from this casual tote to this structured bag instantly elevates the look. These small details communicate intentional style. Styling secret. When wearing white jeans with a colored top, choose a bag that picks up either your top or shoe color to create a cohesive, thoughtfully curated look. Hack number 7, the jewelry proportion rule. With white jeans, jewelry proportion is everything. The clean canvas allows accessories to shine, but there's a specific approach that looks most sophisticated. The rule: choose either statement earrings or a statement necklace, never both together. This creates balance and looks intentional rather than overwhelming. With white jeans and a simple top, bold architectural earrings add interest and draw attention upward to frame your face. Alternatively, a layered necklace or statement piece creates a focal point that elevates a basic outfit. Quality matters more than quantity. One pair of well-made earrings will always look more expensive than multiple costume pieces. When in doubt, gold tones warm up white jeans beautifully. Hack number 8, the layering length technique. A common styling mistake with white jeans is wearing tops that hit at the wrong length, making proportions look off balance. The professional technique, for most body types, tops that either hit at the high hip, just below the waistband, or extend to mid-thigh, create the most flattering silhouette. Avoid tops ending at your widest point, typically the low hip. Instead, use layering to create intentional lines that guide the eye vertically. For example, a shorter top with a longer cardigan or jacket creates a slimming column effect. Or try the French tuck, partially tucking just the front of your shirt to define your waist while maintaining a relaxed look. This works because it creates deliberate proportions rather than letting clothing dictate where the eye travels. Hack number 9, the pattern strategy. Patterns can either make white jeans look expensive or overwhelm them. The difference is scale and sophistication. The most elevated patterns to pair with white jeans: classic stripes, particularly navy and white, subtle florals in sophisticated colors, geometric patterns with structure, tone-on-tone patterns that add texture without overwhelming. Avoid anything too busy, juvenile, or trendy. The pattern should have timelessness. See how this striped boatneck top creates a completely different look than a basic solid. It adds interest while maintaining sophistication. The kind of effortless elegance, expensive style is built on. Hack number 10, the belt placement secret. A belt with white jeans isn't just functional. It's a styling opportunity that can transform your silhouette. The placement technique makes all the difference. Rather than placing your belt at the very top of your jeans, position it slightly lower, just below your natural waistline. This small adjustment creates a more flattering line and looks intentionally styled rather than purely functional. Belt width matters too. A medium-width belt, about 1 to 1.5 inches, in quality leather creates the most versatile, expensive-looking finish. Avoid very skinny belts, which can look dated, or extremely wide styles that can overwhelm your frame. Color-wise, cognac, tan, and warm metallics create beautiful contrast against white denim. Don't overlook a white belt with white jeans for a seamless look. This tonal approach is a luxury fashion house favorite. Hack number 11, the Undergarment Foundation. Let's address something many videos overlook but makes all the difference with white jeans: proper undergarments. The foundation of any expensive-looking outfit starts underneath. With white jeans, choose seamless nude-to-you underwear that doesn't create visible lines or show through. Invest in quality shapewear shorts or slips specifically designed to be invisible under white clothing. Look for laser-cut edges and breathable fabrics that smooth without constricting. Stylist's secret. A thin slip skirt worn under white jeans can prevent show-through while adding an extra smoothing layer. This works especially well with slightly more relaxed fit jeans. These foundation pieces aren't about changing your shape. They're about creating a smooth canvas that allows your outfit to look as polished as possible. Hack number 12. The sleeve length equation. There's a direct relationship between sleeve length and how expensive your white jeans outfit appears, a detail fashion editors and stylists pay close attention to. The most flattering and sophisticated sleeve lengths. 3/4 length, ending between elbow and wrist. Bracelet length, ending just above the wrist bone. Full-length sleeves properly tailored to your arm length. Why these specific lengths work? They create intentional lines that look deliberate rather than accidental. A 3/4 sleeve draws attention to your wrist, typically one of the slimmest parts of a woman's body. Notice how changing just the sleeve length completely transforms how polished the entire outfit appears. These subtle adjustments make all the difference. Hack number 13. The texture contrast technique. White jeans provide the perfect canvas for texture play, a technique that instantly communicates luxury and sophistication. The most elevated textures to pair with white denim, silk or satin for beautiful juxtaposition, cashmere or fine knits for elegant comfort, linen for textural contrast that still feels cohesive, suede or soft leather for unexpected richness. The key is creating intentional contrast. The smooth, structured nature of white jeans pairs beautifully with something either more fluid, like silk, or more textured, like a boucle jacket. See how this silk blouse creates a completely different effect than cotton would? The interplay of textures signals quality and attention to detail, hallmarks of expensive style. Hack number 14. The outerwear proportion rule. The right outerwear can transform white jeans from casual to sophisticated in seconds, but specific proportion rules make all the difference. For most body types, jackets that either hit at the high hip or extend to mid-thigh create the most flattering silhouette. These lengths create intentional lines that elongate rather than divide your figure. Cropped jackets that hit at the waistband work beautifully if you have a longer torso, while longer blazers or cardigans create a slimming column effect. Watch what happens when I switch from this standard length jacket to one with more intentional proportions. The entire outfit suddenly looks more curated and expensive. Colour matters too. While white jackets create stunning monochromatic moments, don't overlook soft neutrals like camel, ivory, or pale grey that complement white jeans while maintaining that expensive tonal look. Styling secret. Slightly pushing up or scrunching jacket sleeves creates relaxed sophistication that looks intentional rather than overly formal, communicating confidence and ease. Hack number 15. The finishing touch formula. Our final hack might be the most powerful, the finishing touch formula. This is the difference between an outfit that looks nice and one that looks truly expensive. The formula: every complete outfit needs at least 2 of these 3 elements. Something with structure, tailored jacket or structured bag. Something with shine, quality jewelry or silky fabric. Something with texture, woven belt or textured shoes. When you include at least 2 elements with your white jeans, you create dimension and interest that elevates the entire look. Look at this simple outfit of white jeans and a t-shirt. Nice but basic. Now watch what happens when I add this structured blazer, element 1, and these gold hoop earrings, element 2. Suddenly, the entire outfit has purpose and polish. This formula works because it creates intentional contrast and visual interest, exactly what designer outfits do so well. Practical application section. Now let's put these hacks into practice with real-world outfit formulas you can recreate with pieces you likely already own. Outfit formula number 1, elevated casual. Start with white jeans and add navy and white striped boat neck top, hack number 9. Camel-coloured structured bag, hack number 6. Pointed toe flats in tan, hack number 5. Gold hoop earrings, hack number 7. This combination uses classic elements intentionally. The striped top adds pattern without overwhelming, while structured accessories elevate the casual foundation. Perfect for lunch with friends, shopping, casual Friday. Outfit formula number 2, sophisticated evening. Start with white jeans and add silk blouse in rich jewel tone like burgundy, hack number 4. Tailored blazer in complementary neutral, hack number 3. Block-heeled sandals, hack number 5. Statement earrings or layered necklace, hack number 7. This transforms white jeans into evening-appropriate attire through rich colour, luxurious texture, and thoughtful accessories. Perfect for dinner out, theatre, gallery. Outfit formula number 3, polished professional. Start with white jeans and add fine knit sweater in soft neutral, hack number 13. Medium width belt positioned just below natural waist, hack number 10. Pointed toe flats or low heels, hack number 5. Structured tote in cognac leather, hack number 6. Simple gold bracelet, hack number 7. This creates a refined professional look that's comfortable while communicating authority and polish. Perfect for casual workplace, meetings, presentations. Outfit formula number 4, weekend luxe. Start with white jeans and add white or cream textured sweater, hack number 2. Quality leather jacket in soft neutral, hack number 14. White minimal sneakers, hack number 5. Delicate layered necklaces, hack number 7. This elevates weekend wear through tonal dressing and textural contrast, creating effortlessly luxurious style. Perfect for casual gatherings, weekend errands, travel. Addressing common concerns. Let's address common white jeans concerns head-on. White jeans show everything. The solution is fabric weight and construction. Look for white jeans with slightly heavier denim, 11 to 13 ounces, and at least 98% cotton for structure and opacity. Remember hack number 11. Proper undergarments make all the difference. Nude to you, seamless options are worth the investment. White jeans aren't flattering on my body type. This comes down to finding the right cut. Straight leg or subtle boot cuts are universally flattering and look more expensive than skinny styles. For pear shapes, look for styles with back pockets positioned slightly higher and wider to balance proportions. For apple shapes, mid-rise styles with waistband stretch provide comfort while maintaining structure. I'm afraid of staining them. First, quality fabric protector spray is a game changer. Apply before wearing new white jeans. Second, keep a stain removal pen in your purse for immediate spot treatment. Emergency stain hack. Keep a small container of white chalk in your bag. If you get a stain while out, gently rub white chalk over it. The chalk absorbs some of the stain and camouflages the rest until you can properly treat it at home. There you have it, 15 transformative styling hacks that elevate white jeans from basic to breathtakingly expensive looking. These aren't complicated fashion tricks. They're thoughtful approaches anyone can apply. The beauty is that these hacks work with pieces you likely already own. It's not about buying new things. It's about wearing what you have more intentionally. True style isn't about age or trends. It's about confidence and intention. And nothing communicates both quite like perfectly styled white jeans. Which of these hacks are you most excited to try? Leave a comment sharing your favorite tip or any questions. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more style advice designed for women who understand that our best fashion years aren't behind us. They're happening right now. Style is not about how old you are, but how you are old. And with these hacks, you'll be doing it beautifully. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our style videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. What styling hack are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.